February is Heart Health Month. Doctors and organizations alike hoping to spread awareness and save lives.
This month, our news team is focusing on telling those stories. WCIA3's Amanda Brennan introduces us to one of the groups making a difference.
Our hearts are responsible for a lot of different things. It's the organ pumping blood through our veins and carrying oxygen to our cells. Starting a conversation about all these things really hits home for Urbana's Deshaun Williams.
You know, here recently I had someone that I looked up to who, in my mind growing up, I thought this man was literally Superman.
Williams says his role model ran miles upon miles every day and always seemed pretty healthy.
Unfortunately, he had a massive stroke, you know, and there were no signs leading up to it. And while he was there, he actually had the stroke in his gym, and no one knew CPR, no one knew how to respond to that, and he never recovered. He passed away here recently, this week, actually.
Heart disease is affecting him even closer, too.
My mother's kind of dealing with some, issues as far as cardiovascular health is concerned right now. It doesn't affect you until it affects you, right? And that, for me, was a lot of the reason I decided to just really be a part of it and try to do my small part in helping spread that awareness.
Now he's a leader with the American Heart Association, bringing his drive to save lives right into the heart of Champaign-Urbana.
We're wanting to ensure that we have as great of a chance to live and survive as possible.
To get there, he's putting CPR training kits in the hands of kids.
Get those to as many schools as possible. Right now we have 15 schools within Champaign County who are participating in that program.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Williams knows it's important to work with the next generation.
It's important to us to ensure that the youth are prepared. In the case that a classmate or someone or even a teacher, if they fall out in front of them, due to those health issues, they'll know how to respond.
At the end of the day, Williams wants to make sure people in the community are living their best and healthiest lives.
I want to ensure that everyone has an opportunity to not only live, but to see generations to come live and have them, as ready as possible when life may hit them.
Reporting in Champaign, Amanda Brennan, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Now, we looked into some of the statistics behind CPR. The American Heart Association says about 70% of cardiac arrests that don't happen in hospitals happen in homes. Only about 46% of those people get the immediate help they need before the professionals get there. If more people learn CPR and can perform it the right way, the chances of survival go up. Williams strongly encourages people to volunteer. It can help save lives. If you want to get involved with the American Heart Association in Central Illinois, it's best to contact Allison Marlowe via email. We have her contact information at WCIA.com.